Okay, this is the blanket I'm making right now. I'm working on. And I'm going to show you how to hold the crochet hook, how I do it. You stick the loop, just ignore this thing, but you stick your loop on your crochet hook. Then you're going to take the yarn and you're going to wrap it around your finger and along the back of your hand so that you can hold it like this, because then you can pull it through. And crochet. I'll show you again how to do it. Put the loop on your crochet hook. Take the yarn, stick it like this, and then around, and then along the back of your hand. Then you can grab it and crochet with it. What do you think? Done.